Assalamualaikum students, be ready. Para. The acquisition of any land or any interest in land for the purpose of the authority shall be deemed to be an acquisition for a inverted comma public purpose inverted comma within the meaning of the Land Acquisition Act, 1894, full stop. The authority may appoint such persons in its service as may be necessary for the efficient performance its functions in such manner and on such terms and conditions as may be prescribed, full stop. All persons acting or purporting to act in pursuance of any provisions of this ordinance shall be deemed to be public servants within the meaning of section 21 of the Pakistan Penal Code 1860, full stop. Any conversion of property to a different use or purpose than the one provided under a scheme prepared by the authority by a person without the previous approval of the authority in writing, shall be punishable with fine which may extend to 2000 rupees per day from the date of its conversion till the default continues, or with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with both, full stop. Para. If any building, structure, work or land is erected, constructed or used in contravention of the provisions of this ordinance, or any rules, regulations or orders made thereunder, the authority or any person authorized by it in this behalf, may, by order in writing, require the owner, occupier, user or person in control of such building, structure, work or land to remove, demolish or alter the building, structure or work, or to use it in such manner as may bring such erection, construction or use in accordance with the provisions of this ordinance, full stop. If an order under subsection 1, in respect of any building, structure, work or land is not complied with within such time, as may be specified therein, the authority or any person authorized by it in this behalf may, after giving the person concerned an opportunity of being heard, remove, demolish or alter the building, structure or work, or stop the use of the land, and in so doing, may use such force as may be necessary, and may also recover the cost thereof from the person responsible for the erection, construction or use of the building, structure, work or land in contravention of the provisions of as aforesaid, full stop. Para. Upon the establishment of the authority, the Lahore Kent Cooperative Housing Society Limited, Lahore, registered under the Cooperative Societies Act 1925, and all bodies constituted thereunder shall stand dissolved, and upon such dissolution, all persons in the service of the said society shall stand transferred for service under the authority on the same terms and conditions as were applicable to them immediately before their transfer to the authority, B. All assets and liabilities of the said society shall become the assets and liabilities of the authority, and C. All by laws of the said society in force immediately before the dissolution of the said society shall continue in force until altered or repealed by rules or regulations made under this ordinance. Full stop. If any difficulty arises in giving effect to any provision of this ordinance, the government may give such directions as it may consider necessary for the removal of such difficulty. Full stop.